We're going to learn how to change the EGR valve pressure sensor in a 1998 F-150. Now it's super simple. Most models will have this, and the earlier models like mine will have this one. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to need a 10mm socket, and you're going to take off these two bolts over here and this bolt over here. And then we're going to pop this off here, and then on the right or the driver's side right here is your piece. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to pull this plug off. There's just a pressure point on the side that you push on, comes right off. So there's two bolts on each side, or one bolt on each side, so it's going to take an 8mm socket to remove these. And once that's off, you're going to remove these two hoses, but it's important to remember which one goes on which side. Now one side's labeled HI, and the other is labeled REF, and that will correspond to your new unit as well. So just remember, if you need to put a piece of tape on them to label them, then do that. So I had to use a pair of pliers to loosen it, but these will just pull right off like that, and then you can put the new unit on. So make sure you remember which one goes the correct one. I labeled mine with a piece of tape. And then the bolts should screw right back on. And then you want to make sure to plug this back in, make sure it locks in place, and then you can put your cover back on.